fix Tinder not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general. Now under general, you need to scroll down again and then you'll find an option of shutdown. You need to tap on shutdown. And you will get the slider, slide the icon to the right to turn off your phone. And once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, then press and hold on your power button. With that, your device will start. Next, what you have to do is update the Tinder application. For that, you need to navigate to the App Store and search for Tinder. After searching, if you have any updates on your Tinder, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back to your settings again and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have the internet connection. Once you find the internet connection stable, next what you need to do is go with your software updates. If you have any software updates available on your device, you need to just simply go and software update your device. Tap on your software updates and wait for a few seconds and then go with update now. And after updating, all of your problems might be fixed. Or just simply scroll down a bit under your general, go with transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all of your settings. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.